Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Dungeons & Dragons miniatures available on the market. Whether you're a seasoned dungeon master or a tabletop enthusiast just starting out, these 50 unique fantasy miniatures are designed to bring your RPG campaigns to life like never before. This set is a fantastic addition for anyone who loves immersive tabletop gaming. Each figure is intricately detailed, capturing a wide array of characters and creatures that you would expect to encounter in classic Dungeons & Dragons or Pathfinder adventures. The craftsmanship in each miniature is impressive, with features that stand out even before you add any paint. One of the key highlights of this set is its versatility. These miniatures come unpainted, making them perfect for customization. You can bring your own artistic vision to the table by painting them with your favorite colors and details. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also allows you to create personalized characters that fit your campaign's story. The 28mm scale is ideal for standard tabletop setups, fitting seamlessly alongside other miniatures and terrain pieces. The variety included in this bulk set is remarkable. With 50 different figures, you get a mix of heroes, monsters, and fantastical creatures. From warriors and spellcasters to goblins and ogres, this diverse collection ensures that you have the perfect miniatures to represent nearly any role or encounter you want to create. This variety also makes it easier to populate your campaigns with unique characters, keeping the gameplay fresh and exciting. Another great feature is the sturdy construction of these miniatures. They are made from quality materials that hold up well during gameplay. Whether you're moving pieces across the board or setting up detailed battle scenes, these figures maintain their shape and detail. Their size and weight make them stable on most gaming surfaces, reducing the risk of accidental tipping. These miniatures also serve as a fantastic resource beyond just gameplay. If you're a hobbyist or collector, this set offers a substantial base for painting and modeling. It can be an enjoyable project to spend time on, especially if you like bringing your figures to life with paint and customizing them to match your campaign's theme. If you're looking to enhance your Dungeons & Dragons experience, this 50-piece set is an excellent choice. It adds both depth and excitement to your tabletop battles, helping to create a vivid, imaginative environment. Plus, having such a wide range of characters on hand means you can run spontaneous encounters without scrambling for suitable minis. In conclusion, these fantasy tabletop RPG miniatures are more than just game pieces. They're a gateway to richer storytelling and more dynamic play. With their detailed design, customizable nature, and diverse selection, they make the perfect toolkit for any dungeon master or player aiming to elevate their gaming sessions. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and if you're into tabletop RPGs, this set is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.